Shukor na Snem jong Kongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Jilla Konrad ke Sangma ha kesni palai uloong ba ke Sorkar Jilla kalatmu ya ke projek bat ki sinjam ki basongdor kumba lai hajar hendrius pa klur tingka ki ban long kum ki jing penya ya ki jing thmu ba Kongsan jong ke Snem ar hajar apunriu habakren ha ka jinga kendo bat ki lat pathai kubor Konrad uloong ba ke Sorkar ka jubishar manla usnem ya ki mat ki badangsa bat banwad ikilat jingya penbet Ulapan pau baka jingya penbet yakimat balasa Snem jongki nonghikai ad hoc bat SSA kadai kajing job ka bakraw bat watla kajing pentrekam kan sedang nadu ubana yayong henrei karai kaladem banyakren uloong ru baka jingya kren bat ka Sorkar India karayarap ban penbet ya kajing pen Snem yaki scholarship khanang ban khanglat ya kumkini kajing ja hakipor ki banwan Menteri Rangba uloong baka Thong ba Kongsan na Bynta usnem ar hajar arpunriu kalong halor ka khut ka suba khamtam nabar ka jilla bandang penkre ya ka national games uloong baka Sorkar ka thmu ban peni ya ka Shillong ka Tura ka Jowai bat ya ka jilla hi baro ka wei kum ka jilla ka bakhut bat ka badon ya ka jingetli padba
I don't want to speak about all of that right now because those are I've always believed that these should be goals and missions and targets that one should keep to guide one's work forward. So I don't want to go too much into details of that because I'm sure that when December comes, then you will look at that and question me, oh, what happened to your resolution? So I don't want to go into details of that. But having said that, what is very important, every year we look at a particular calendar year, and of course we look at certain issues that have been left unresolved, and we try to see that how we'll be able to take it forward. Just to give an example to you, I've been always wanting to find a solution to this entire situation of the teachers, in the ad hoc and SSA teachers. And last year, in the beginning of the year, I had told myself as a part of my resolution that I will find a solution to this. And before you have some kind of stability and some kind of functionality going on in a smooth manner, and issues like this no longer crop up in the future. And I'm happy that we were able to resolve that last year. We came to a conclusion right at the end of the year. Implementation, of course, will take place in April. But the decision has been made and they are all aware about the decision, and it was done at a very large scale in terms of discussions. So therefore, we always have that and it helps us work forward. Scholarships were an issue which I said that, look, I'm going to find a solution to this also so that in the future, there's no delay in scholarships, and we managed to speak to Government of India and resolve it. So like that, there are many such things. One very, very important priority, I should say, for me, which I've been wanting to do for a very long time, and I've shared it with my team. So this is one thing I can share with you, the rest I will not talk much, is to do with cleanliness. I am very, very determined this year to really focus on sanitation and cleanliness in the state as a whole. And obviously this is also to do a lot with the national games coming up. So when people come, they should look at Shillong, Tura, Jowai, and the state as a whole as very clean, and the sense of civic sense and all those aspects is something that I would like to really inculcate. So it's not an easy task, but this is something that I really want to do. So we will align all our actions and our resources and also the stakeholders to work in a much more dedicated manner, in a much more detailed manner, to try and move closer to that goal. So I know it will not be so easy, but we will do that. So that's one thing that I'm really, really wanting to do, and I will speak about it more. We have already planned many things, and I've already started rolling them out also. But as I said, maybe at a later date I'll share the detailed plan with you. But that's something that I really want to do.
So